These cozy horror videos are going viral right now. Some pages are gaining over 100,000 followers, and many of their videos are getting millions of views. There's something about this mix of calm and creepy that people just can't stop watching. And today I'll show you exactly how you can create these cozy horror videos using AI. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and search for Cozy Horror Generator. Once you find it, click Start Chat. Now, when you run the generator, it will give you 10 different video ideas. For example, I'll go with idea number 2. Once selected, it will generate an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. And within seconds, your image is ready. Now let's turn it into a video. Go to Create Video in Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks calm, cinematic, and slightly creepy, exactly what makes these videos so addictive. Save it. Now repeat the same process with other prompts to create more clips. Here's another one I created using the same method. And that's how you can create these viral, cozy horror videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche you want me to cover next.